So, nakahanap ako ng secret to help my child na makapag-aral siya ng maayos at ng mas mabilis. And kapag hindi mo pa 'to trinay, promise, magsisisi ka. Ako lang ba yung naka-encounter na ganitong problem with my child? Kasi everytime na pinag-aaral ko siya, hindi ko na alam yung gagawin ko. Kasi kahit na maging mahinhin ako or magalit ako, wala pa rin yung epekto para lang makapag-aral siya. Palagi siyang nagsa-cellphone, naglalaro, o kaya mabilis naman siya ma-bored kapag nag-aaral. Hindi rin siya makapag-concentrate at mas lalong hindi niya matandaan kung ano yung lessons na inaaral niya. After that, one of my friends introduced me this IQ Gold. This milk helps increase child's memory and concentration na talagang need nila sa studies. So I bought this for my child and grabe mommies. So this IQ Gold is a special milk line now with superior formula from DHA and omega-3 na galing pa ng Denmark. Meron din itong methofenol na extracted galing sa French grapes and North American blueberries and Cistanche tubulosa na combined with colostrum and meron pa itong 30 essential vitamins and minerals na talagang nakaka-help sa childs natin. Yung pinakamalagang ingredient nga dito is yung tinatawag na golden trio, which is the DHA, memofenol, and Cistanche tubulosa na nakaka-help na ma-enhance yung memory, ma-improve yung focus or concentration, and nakaka-help na mas mapabilis na makaintindi yung childs natin when it comes to studies. My child now studies well like hindi niya na need ng guidance ko. Sobrang laki na naging progress niya, plus napipraise na siya ng teacher niya dahil sa academic performance niya ngayon. Dahil super nag-improve yun ever since na pinainom ko siya ng milk na to. Dati kulelat siya when it comes to honors, pero ngayon, oh my god, kasali na siya sa top 5 and marami siyang 90 or 95 na grade. So in short, my child like to drink this IQ Gold to the point na 1 glass every morning and every evening is hinihintay niya palagi. And mind you guys, this only costs 10 to 15 pesos a day. O diba, sobrang affordable lang niya. Supposedly, dalawa lang dapat nito yung bibilhin ko because of its price. Pero na-exceed niya yung expectation ko on this milk. So without me realizing it, naging loyal customer na ako ni IQ Gold. Kaya if you also have the same problem as me before, why not try this milk for your child?